As the demand for sustainable energy solutions continues to rise, many RV owners in the West Valley of Phoenix, including Goodyear, Buckeye, Peoria, and Gila Bend, are considering installing solar arrays on their recreational vehicles. However, before diving into solar system installation and repair, it is crucial to ensure that your RV roof is in optimal condition. Explore the importance of RV roof repair or replacement and how it relates to solar array installation, particularly in the West Valley of Phoenix. Understanding your RV roof. Your RV's roof is not just a protective covering, it plays a vital role in the overall integrity and functionality of your RV, motorhome, and trailer. RV roofs are typically made from rubber, fiberglass, or aluminum, each with its own maintenance requirements. Regular inspections and maintenance are essential to prevent leaks and structural damage, which can lead to costly repairs down the line. The West Valley of Phoenix's climate can be harsh, with intense sun exposure and occasional storms. This makes it even more critical for RV owners in Buckeye, Peoria, and Gila Bend to pay attention to the condition of their roofs. A well-maintained roof protects your RV and provides a solid foundation for solar panel installation. Rubber roof repair and replacement. One of the most common types of RV roofs is the rubber roof, known for its durability and lightweight properties. However, rubber roofs can develop cracks, tears, or other forms of damage over time, especially in areas with extreme weather conditions. If you notice any signs of wear and tear, it is essential to address these issues promptly. When considering solar system installation and repair, it is advisable to repair or replace your RV roof before adding solar panels. A damaged roof can compromise the installation process and lead to further issues, such as leaks that can damage your solar equipment. In the West Valley of Phoenix, local professionals specializing in RV roof repair or replacement can assess your roof's condition and recommend the best course of action. The importance of roof integrity for solar installation. The integrity of your RV roof is paramount when it comes to installing a solar array. Solar panels require a stable and secure surface for mounting, and any existing damage to the roof can jeopardize the installation. Furthermore, a compromised roof may not be able to support the additional weight of solar panels, leading to potential structural issues. Solar energy can be a fantastic way to power your RV in the West Valley of Phoenix, where the sun shines brightly for most of the year. However, before you can enjoy the benefits of solar energy, you must ensure that your roof is in excellent condition. Rubber roof repair and replacement means conducting regular inspections, performing necessary repairs, and considering a complete roof replacement if the damage is extensive. Embracing sustainable energy. Solar system installation and repair. Once your RV roof is in good shape, you can move forward with solar system installation and repair. Solar energy is environmentally friendly and cost-effective in the long run. By harnessing the sun's power, RV owners in Buckeye, Peoria, and Gila Bend can enjoy the freedom of off-grid living without worrying about fuel costs. When planning for solar system installation, it is essential to work with local experts who understand the specific needs of RVs in the West Valley of Phoenix. These professionals can help you choose the right solar panels, inverters, and battery systems to meet your energy needs. Additionally, they can provide guidance on the best practices for maintaining your solar system to ensure its longevity and efficiency. For more information on solar services, call Vision RV Repairs.